9/16/2020, the biggest IPO ever. Snow. SNOW. $320. We're coming down here to the bottom, right at 240. This is live in the market. How to trade the best IPO that everybody wants to own. And this is live. This is the 5-minute chart right now. And we are buying the lows. Yes, we are. You can see it here on a 1 minute. This is live. You can see it right here at 247. You could see it 247. You could see it 240 is a low, 319 is a high. They opened it. So they say at 245. How you can make big money on the big pullbacks and snow. Buying the low. Everybody wants in, and that they do. We're printing at 246, 245 by 247. Here we are on a 1 minute. This is a bottom that we're using on a 1 minute. We don't need to put no indicators or nothing like it. We just know that that is the attempted bottom in it, and it is, and there's nothing wrong with buying those dips when they come back down in that bid, and how they do drop them very quickly. And knowing that this is live and everybody in the world is on snow right now, and yes, we are. We've been doing it our whole life, and you just got to know that when they do those dips, and what you're looking for on the 1 minute is you're looking for that bottom to hold, okay? And you're looking for green spikes that continue just to go up. So once the distribution and the early day traders get wiggled and jiggled out and whatnot, we're going to be buying the bottom on snow. And this is live. He's printing 242 right now, coming down on the lows of the day. Let's go ahead and put it in here with a 5-minute. It's right there on a 5-minute. There it is. He's right there at 241 on a 5-minute. This is live, the biggest IPO. And then we have a Fed decision, and we're buying down here at the bottom is holding. Bam. We just bought some of that. You can go ahead and say winkle dinkle. There it is, 243.79. He holds that low at 240 live right here, right now. There's that 5-minute bar. We got in. We're in it. We're going to hold it and see how it works. We'll put a stop below that low right over there. I'm telling everybody, I'm dispatching all the live entries right now with snow. And we are the best because we're wholesale when we're buying down here. And that gives us, everybody gets shaken out that bought it all the way down on this 5-minute. And this is live, and we're going to have a FOMC minute. Here we are at 242. We got in at 241.50, so we're going to be holding that. It's 246 by 246.98. So this is live, and how to trade IPOs live. You know, there isn't no talk. Talk is cheap. It's here. It's now. The bid. We have all the ECNs. We're direct to the market. So when we're looking at the NASDAQ total view, we can see all the different players. Retail people can't see that. So, but we can. And we're going to be holding our entry. This is live. It's right now. Here's the 5-minute chart right here, everybody. And we got to stop just in case. And it's going to be below that low. And talk is cheap. This is real entry. It's right here and it's right now. And we can see right there. And we already have that in there. So let's get back over to the bid and the ask, which is going to be 242 by 244, 243.96 over here. He cuts in at 243, 241.50. He's holding. So what we're looking for is how this bottom will hold, and then having to stop and trading this live with you here and now. We'll come back to snow. We're going to have an FOMC meeting announcement, and it's really going to move the market and the volatility in it. So, on the opening IPO of the year, the biggest IPO of the year, SNOW, with the live entries and the live exits right here on the 5-minute chart. We're holding that bottom, and we are, and having a stop below that low over there. We would do that. And then again, as a market maker that we are, then we would buy it again at lower prices until it works. And that's how it works. And this is exactly what we do live when you're in the live trading group. Oh, we got stopped out. Yep, he dropped it. So we got stopped out at 240.8. So now it's 236. We're going to put new orders in at 231.50. So that cost us, and we only do light volume on the first pass. He broke it right there, and our stop was right here. And that is the power of the stop order. And when you have that stop order and you use it correctly, then that keeps you in the game and you get to buy it lower now. And that's what we're going to do. So that stop was 50 cents below our entry. So we're out of it, and we're going to buy, like I said, I'm putting limit orders in at, let's say, I'm giving, all right, you guys put them in at 231.50.5. Yeah, and keep a stop at 230.96. And this is live, and you guys can go ahead and move in. Let me go ahead and take a look at this on a 1 minute for everyone. So we do have that order. And here it is right here, everyone. We got the bottom. There it is. I see it. So that's okay. We're not going to do any more than 100 shares. So keep the other orders down there below the market and keep the stop, because the other entry would be 231.50. So yeah, looks like, yep, you got stop. Another stop right there. Took the stop and went down a little bit lower. Now it's going to come back up. Oh, I'm being told no, it did not. He had to stop about 98 cents below the market, and it didn't trigger it. So we're still in it. Yeah, they put the number down there lower because we're buying more if we can get it at 231.50. Okay, and we have the live limits there. We'll go ahead and move up that stop to, like, let's say I would say we got it at 231.70. So it's working right now. It's taking off like a rocket. So we're in it. Everyone is in it. So let's just stick with it now. We're at 236 by 236.86. This is live. The time is 10:16 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to have a FOMC meeting, but we're going to move our stops up and how to trade IPOs, and this is live. Oh, yes, it is. And here's the 1 minute chart right here. Oh, yeah. And so we're above that trend line now. And so we got to clear 245, and we'll be making a lot of money. And how to trade the bottom, and how to get that, keeping one stop over there, then getting hit here, okay, and having the stop wider, and then moving the stop up, because we got to have it stay above that trend line. So once again, 9/16 is the date. 2020 at 235 by 236.94. 236 was the last print. 236.80, 238 now. 29 on the ass. 237's coming up. So we're still in it. We'll come back with it and update everyone how to trade an IPO on a FOMC announcement day. That's going to be out in a little while. And how how to do this live. And a lot of you been down free trials. Well, when you're in our free trial, we do it real right here in front of your face, and we're doing it now. And how to trade this IPO. And we're at 239.48 on a 1 minute. And you can see it down here and here. And you can see the breakout. This is live, and it's happening right now on SNOW. Once again, recap, the stop order was below the original low over here of the day, and it came down as it did, and it hit it right there, and we were out. We're back in here, and this is a 1 minute on snow IPO. Remember that the highs on snow, and we're in it. Look at that baby run. This is how to trade an IPO live, and we did it right here, right now, and we're going to be holding it, and we're going to keep moving our stops up. We have all the tools for direct access to the market. We have all the different ECNs and books, things that you retail people at your current accounts. You don't have that. So why don't you get signed up with direct access trading with us and get your account and get your tools and get your firing off your orders and having fun. This is live on Snow IPO, the biggest one of the year, and we're in it to win it. Oh, yes, we are. And you can see that 1 minute breakout, and this is live. This is live. It is Rip City up here. Let's let that baby run, everybody. Move your stops up to 238.90. And then if we clear the 250, everybody move the stops up then to 242.70. And let's widen them out and see what we get and how many people are going to chase the dragon and pump the stock for us. All right, here we go. We got the bottom. This is live. This is where we got in right here. Oh yeah, we did. And then here was our trend line. There was the test on the 1 minute. He's starting to pull back. We'll go ahead and draw a little line right there. This will be that support level, which will be the half bar. And we'll see if it holds above here right now on Snow, SNOW. And does the majority of the crowd want to keep buying the stock and keep moving it up for us with our entry? Get into our live alert service right now today. Don't wait any longer. Have fun. Change. You're watching the video because you do want change. And we can do that together. And we will. Just be willing to sign up for the free trial, just like right now, how to trade an IPO on Snow, the biggest IPO of the year at 244, and it just topped out right there, and it did, and that was at 247.57. So there's the pullback on the 1 minute right here, and we're going to see how it will work and build, or if it comes down to slightly below 240, then no matter what, there'll be a stop to protect this entry that we have over here. So we'll go right there to about right there. And there's the wick, and it comes back in.
Bulletin received.
So 246, 247 now. It's going straight up, so it's holding that horizontal line. This is live. Like I said, there are other trend lines that we can take a look at. One of them is going to be right there. And there's going to be another one that we can go ahead and put on here, and that's going to be right where we're at. And we have to get above that green bar with this one and keep breaking out. It's 248. So we held it. We didn't go below this number right there. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and let it keep ripping higher for us. And this is live. We're going to get ready for the FOMC meeting. We will come back. This is the biggest IPO of the year. And today's date is 9/16/2020. The time now is 10:22 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which would be 1:22 p.m. Eastern Time. And you can see the 1 minute and how that's working. And then here we can see what everyone's doing in the bid and the ask. But we know what all of these ECNs are. And if I want to go to the New York Stock Exchange and look on the open book and see how they're trading it, this is direct access trading. And these are things you don't have. That's okay. Sign up for the free trial, direct access trading, and we're going to walk you through it. And you're going to discover things that you have never seen before. And you will. So here is the bid. 249 by 250.73. So this is the ask, and that's where people are going to be wanting to make their buys right there. So we're going to go ahead on this 1 minute chart. Just remember where the entry was and how to buy the bottom, then how to let it rip, then knowing what you have to do, trading the biggest IPO live of the year right now.